Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive at Cayman, Sydney. I've got a Porsche Cayman with a no start situation on this car here. I've done a lot of checking beforehand, so I've checked the relays here. So I've checked what I've done first was to actually check the fuel pressure at the back by cranking the actual car. The main thing is I had to actually bridge the relay to see what the fuel pressure was. And the fuel pressure was about 4 bar on this one here, so which is really good. And it should get the car started. And I'll check I had to check one more thing I was checking is the actual engine speed, which is your crank angle sensor to tell the computer the actual engine is moving, turning over, so you can actually open the injectors to get it started. Sorry, but nothing was actually still didn't start. Check all the actual DME signals for the wiring harness and to the ignition coil. That was all good. I just want to show you. I took all the coils out and the spark plugs. I've done a compression check, and most of the cylinders were about 240 psi. Majority, I think one was about 210, but majority was 240 on this side here. So I've done both sides. So this is the outside, that's the right hand side. That's the left hand side. But what I found was the actual spark plug was really fouled. Look at that. That's a really bad spark plug there. Really wet, really fouled up, causing the actual car, the spark not to jump. So no spark whatsoever. Or even get a really weak spark you can. So nothing will work. I'll show you a brand new one. This is a brand new spark plug for this Cayman. And look at the spark plug compared to the old one. That's the old one there. Really fouled up, and that's a brand new one there. Alright, so now I'm going to fit that first. So all my signals from the DME is good. My speed signals, coil signals, ignition coil, earth points, fuel pump at the front, fuel pressure at the back. All those stuff that I had to check. It all checked out good. So those boxes are ticked. So now I'm going to replace the spark plugs, put the ignition coils back on, and then start the car up, and then we'll go from there. Alright? Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.